Are you looking for the perfect gift but don't want to break the bank? Well, we did the research and polled our team, friends, and family, and here are 5 of the best gifts that everyone, including your bank account, will appreciate. Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and welcome back to the Fuse channel. Now, all of these gifts are under $100, and some are even under $50. Plus, they're all great last-minute gifts. If you're like me, you quit reading books for fun after your high school English teacher made you write analytical essays about Lord of the Flies and Macbeth, but don't let anyone else in your life lose the gift of knowledge. Books and audiobooks are super thoughtful, especially if you pick them based on the person's hobbies, interests, or personality. There are tons of discounted books on sites like ThriftBooks, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, you name it. And if you're not sure what they're interested in reading, consider audiobook credits or a gift card to a local bookstore. Leave a comment below with your reading recs, and give this video a thumbs up if you also want to start reading again, before we all forget how to. You could also teach your friends and family about the gift of keeping things alive. No, not a pet. I'm talking about gifting plants. Just make sure you're getting the right plants for the climate and for their skill level. For example, you'd probably need to give me a cactus because that's one of the only plants I'd have a hard time accidentally killing. Now, a lot of people sell them for cheap on Facebook Marketplace. You could also go to a nursery and pick out some flowers in a nice pot that would go with their home decor. Or you could even buy the seeds and grow one yourself. That makes it even more personal and thoughtful. Kind of like you're passing them your very own baby, only plants are luckily a lot less work. And there are plenty that are hard to kill, like pothos and snake plants. And if you want your mom, dad, sister, brother, auntie, meemaw, or even little nieces and nephews to have something super practical, versatile, and stylish, why not choose something that everyone needs? Their vision. No matter the season, sunglasses are essential to keeping your eyes protected and your vision crisp. Basically, you're caring for their eye health and giving them something they'll use. Fuse offers affordable and personalized shades from sporty to fashionable, casual, and hybrid in multiple frame colors. You could try something like the 3 Rooker Red Clear Fade with a spicy cascade mirror lens for just $44.99. Or Caladisi with a retro yellow polarized lens, our stylish take on a Ray-Ban cult classic for just $59.99. Or say you're giving a gift to someone who's a huge fan of Top Gun. They'd be stoked for a pair of our Sanibel Aviators with a classic G15 lens for $54.99. Now if you have a runner in your life, why not have them unwrap the $84.99 Fuse Kaio with performance-enhancing HD lenses? Learn more about color-enhancing technology in these videos linked below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Now, if your loved one wears prescription glasses, you could even find a way to sneakily ask for their prescription number and buy them prescription sunglasses. Sunglasses aren't just a great gift for people who spend a lot of time outside. They're also great for gaming. Even cousin Rob, who plays video games all day, needs to protect his eyes from computer light. Try a pair of gaming lenses in our new torch frames for just $44.99. Or even a pair of replacement lenses so that they can switch their lenses out whenever they want. Then send them this video so they can learn how to. By the way, our next video is covering how to pick out sunglasses for other people and yourself. So subscribe and hit that bell. And hey, if you don't know their style or face shape super well, get them a Fuse gift card so that they can personalize their own shades. Another gift everyone will love is grubbing out. Everybody's gotta eat. Why not give your friends and family something delicious? Trust me, this is one of the easiest things to make use of. I mean, they might literally eat it in front of you as soon as they unwrap it. And you can get them a box of their favorite chocolates from a nice candy store, buy cupcakes from a bakery, get a nice bottle of wine, or even just a gift card for a delivery app or to their favorite restaurant. Make sure you know if they have any allergy or dietary restrictions before sending them food. And take note of the foods that they love. This is called being thoughtful, and that's how you give the best gifts. Speaking of best gifts, on to number 1. So let's get real. You and I can both think of at least a couple people in our lives who don't need any more stuff. That's where you can give them the gift of fun or an experience. Why not give them a sport or concert ticket to see their favorite team or artist? Luckily for your bank account, the Taylor Swift Eras Tour is over in the US for now. If they don't like large crowds, get them a gift card or pre-purchase them a massage or spa session. Or give them an Airbnb gift card so that they can take a little trip. If they love art, gift them with an art class. And for the outdoor enthusiasts in your life, you could also get tickets to go ziplining or rock climbing, or a day pass at a hiking spot that they've been wanting to try. Speaking of the outdoors, of course we have to throw ourselves into the ring. Your friends and family can see Mother Earth in more color and beauty with Fuse lenses. We pride ourselves on providing the highest quality replacement lenses for any name brand and our own growing line of stylish and sporty frames. You can choose from over 25 lens colors and technologies, including prescription, color enhancing, polarized, mirrored, and more. If you don't know what they like, you can never go wrong with the Fuse Lenses gift card. Use the code FUSEYT at checkout to get a discount on your first purchase. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.